Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. I'm Magical Maiden, and so today what I'm going to have for you is another seashell summertime pendant. Now, it doesn't always have to have seashells on it, but we're going to do this, and I'm just going to show you some pendants I got. And it was a package, and I got these from Amazon. I'll put the link below, and I got a bunch of stickers. This I made. If you haven't checked out all the other ones that I've made, please go do so. I made so many, and I made one with these kind of 3D raised ocean stickers. I did have to cut them down. And I got these cute 3D raised gemstone stickers from Hobby Lobby. And I got a package that they give you 1,400 from Amazon. And I have just a whole bunch of beachy stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you everything. And I got real seashells. Now you can get them from Hobby Lobby. I got these years ago, but they still have them. I was just there recently. And you can make so many different things with these stickers and pendants, and then different color nail polishes. And again, I'm going to tell you, if you haven't seen all my other jewelry tutorials on all the summer seashell pendants, go ahead and check out my jewelry tutorial playlist, because I did a whole bunch. I did nighttime ones, daytime ones, using some of these stickers, and they really came out cool. I'm really happy with them. So I went ahead and cut my sailboat and made it smaller because I could not find a small sailboat. So I am looking, I want to use a palm tree. Unfortunately, a lot of these stickers have big palm trees. So you might have to cut things down. You see, that's a big palm tree. I might use that, but I'd have to cut it off of that. Now I'm just going to position, I have my little magnifying light, and I hope you can see this. I will be making this brighter in my editor. So what we're going to do is, I was going to use this one. Now you can do a straight up and down pendant as well if that's what you like. And you could add your ocean, your sky. I'm not really sure. I'm so torn because I want to fit a lot more in. So I like these pendants because not all of them have where you're going to put your jump ring. They have it like this, so you can put it anywhere. And I just made one like this. So you're probably seeing it in my jewelry tutorial playlist. So I'm going to use this. Now, the first thing I'm going to want to do is get my sand going. So what you're going to need is some beige nail polish. Okay, so we got a lot of different nail polishes. You're going to need your E6000 glue, some toothpicks, scissors, stickers, seashells, and all kinds of nail polish, okay? And tweezers. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to do the sand first. This is just like a base. And don't worry, if you put too much, make sure you have paper towels. So I just do that as a base. And now I'm going to get my, this is from Funky Fingers, and I say this, I got these at Five Below, I think. And this is the color Supernova. It has a lot of different glitters and it works great for my sand. Now, if you cannot find this in the stores and they don't carry it, look at Amazon. They always have old discontinued things. Supernova from Funky Fingers, okay? But you could always use anything you want for your sand, like a beige, and then add like gold and pink glitter, you know, chunks to make it look like sand. Or you can use some real sand with some Mod Podge. Might get a little messy, you know, but this is easy. And there's tons of nail polishes out there, nice glitter ones. So I don't think you're going to have a problem. And you can go to like Five Below or a dollar store. You don't have to go get expensive ones. Why do that? And you kind of clump it because, you know, it's sand, by the way. And I love using nail polish. You can go use paint if you'd rather. And again, like I said before, you don't have to be an artist or a painter. I'm not. I'm crafty and I don't let fear rule me, so I just go for it. I mean, the best part of this is if you make a mistake, it's nail polish. Just get a whole bunch of nail polish remover, saturate it, and wipe it clean with some paper towels, and then wash it with soap and water and start all over again. If you get some, just go with your finger, go like that, touch it up again. All right. Now what we want to do is we want to do the ocean. Sorry, I had some technical difficulties, and I don't know how long that was doing that. So you're going to make an ocean, and it doesn't have to be a calm ocean, but if you want that, and what I do is I give it a few peaks and kind of blob the nail polish. This is again the Funky Fingers in the color It's a Trap. That's the name of the color. And do that, you know, give it a good shake. If you want a bigger ocean, go ahead. Make more ocean, less sky, less sand. You know, you figure it out. I have different kinds of blues here. Kind of, you know, because the sky isn't just all one color blue, you know. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I got. And you want to have paper towels nearby. So this is what I got so far. Okay. And it has patterns in the tented tray, but we can work with that. That's okay. And you might want to add a little more different types of blues or greens. And I think this is a blue, but it might be a green. Nope. But that's okay. I just go with my finger. And then I shake up the bluish, greenish. So now I want to do the little ocean foam. So I'm going to use a little white nail polish. Don't put a lot. Q-tip and kind of so now what I want to do is I want to add a little glitter to that foam, but you don't have to, you know. I just like to, and this is small glitter nail polish. Because it's kind of looking like those stickers that I showed you. So see? It's like got that foam going there. And you don't need to have too much. So now I want to move it around a little though. Okay, so now I want to put the boat. And if it, even though it's a sticker, I want some glue. So I'm going to get some of my E6000 glue. And I'm going to go on the back and just add some. You don't have to go crazy because it is a sticker. It has adhesive. But like I said, I kind of want to put it right there. Now I had to trim it, unfortunately. And then use like a toothpick. So I have to add a little more blue to the sky. Now we can get creative. We could add one of these nice, oops, let's move all this stuff out of the way. So this is what I have so far, and I have the boat. Okay, so I picked some of my seashells. I would love to use this, but it's a little too big. It's a nice pink one. I'll put that on the top. And I'm going to have my tweezers. Okay, now I want a little color. So this little pink one will do. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We have the boat, we have some seashells and the ocean, see it? And some fluffy clouds. Now, what I always do to make the seashells look like they just washed ashore and they're wet, some clear nail polish. And it also brings out the colors in the shells. It like defines them a little more. So that's why I also like to add that. You can add as much as you want. It's not going to hurt it. You could add a little glitter to them too if you want. But I got a lot of glitter here. Finished. I used my boat sticker. And there it is. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this pendant. And if you did, so here they all are, my beach and seashell pendants, the nighttime ones, the daytime ones, the ocean wave ones, and just seashells on the sand. All of my jewelry tutorials are on my jewelry tutorial playlist, so go check it out.